This is gonna be the elevator at the activities building, Normandale Community College, Bloomington, Minnesota. And Otis here, Series 5. Look at these buttons though, notice they look weird? They don't press like Otis either, they're like some knockoff or something. Here we go, this has an epic motor. Two. Let's go back down to one. These are weird buttons. Here's your COP. Got a 45-inch round capacity. Otis Series 5 buttons and these weird replacements. 88 phone. It's like a hospital-sized cab. It's kind of basic, but it's nice at the same time. Her one. See, listen, those don't press like these. It's weird. There we go. It takes something to level down here. One on two. I'll stand from the back of the cab. Here we go. Let's listen to that motor again. Here two. Not a bad elevator, except the lanterns don't work. All right, there it goes, and that'll be it.